Unbox the Apple AirPods third generation. It is third generation. So far I have been using my Galaxy Buds. This is the one I've been using, and along with it I have also been using the Mi Buds. So yeah, so shout out to Life Mobile for bringing us this to Kandy itself, delivering it. So I've also bought a protective case. So let's get into it. So right off the bat we can tear this off, right off like this. Yep, and one at the bottom as well. Yeah, so once that's done, this comes right off. Yeah, we'll keep that aside. And here are some documents by Apple, basically saying about the AirPods. So I'll get into the details in a bit. Yeah, so here are the Apple AirPods. So they're quite small, and the other thing is it has MagSafe, so it sticks onto any charger, so that's about MagSafe. So right off the bat, it's in pairing mode, that's why it's blinking. So here are the new AirPods. So one thing to note is that there's a touch button actually. You see right here, you see the engraving. So if you press once, it plays, and if you press thrice, it goes back to the previous song, and if you press and hold, it activates Siri. Yeah. So things to know about this is IPX4 water resistant and dust resistant. So if you're gymming or sweating a lot, this wouldn't actually affect your AirPods. So one major concern I had was if it would fit in my ear, because they don't have the silicone tips, but as you can see, it doesn't fall off pretty badly, so it fits perfectly okay in my ear. And let's unbox the cover as well. So here is the protective cover I got from Lanka. So as you can see, it's a rubber cover. Slide this in, and there you go. So as a bonus, I think you get this to keep it in your pocket. So this is the protective case. So you can see the flashing light, and there's a small knob by the bottom to cover up the charging port. So one thing I forgot to show you is the Type-C cable that you get with this. So it's your C to C. Actually, it's yeah, Type-C to C. You could connect this to your Mac or a MagSafe charger and plug it to the port, or do wireless charging. Another one cool thing is you could actually fit them into your Mac. Yeah, there you go, and the other one as well. So that's a neat feature. So within a week or two I will do a full review on this, and I will get back on the user experience. Thank you for watching.